Welcome! Today I'm with OPPO Reno6 5G and I'll show you how to turn off auto-updates apps. Let's solve simply. Just open the Play Store and for sure you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. Then click on the right upper corner, or you can have this on the left upper corner. Tap here and pick the settings. Right now go to the network references and tap on auto-update apps, and you have to switch it to don't auto-update apps by this way. Tap on done and as you can see it's finished. So that's how it looks. So if you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.